Hello friend, how is it going? Welcome back to Toyota Maintenance YouTube channel. I'm happily reporting you from my shop that I bought myself another toy. Is it a toy or necessary tool? Well, it depends. Working on the cars in my shop, I always struggle with the lights. I heavily recommended you these ones from Harbor Freight at Brown. When they are on sale, they are pretty good deal. This one, as you can see, broke here, so it was repaired. I had three. One of them, poor thing, fell in the coolant and drowned. I grabbed it out really quickly, but it didn't survive it. Had to go, that was that. So I have remaining two. One of them is already badly stitched up. Time for additional work light. This I purchased from Home Depot because they always deliver really quickly. If they say it's in the stock, it's in the stock. And they have a discounts. I have many Milwaukee tools which I totally love. I think they're awesome for automotive use. Because of that, I have many chargers, batteries, and all that related stuff. I look online and I realized that while I was here sleeping in my isolation in my cave, Milwaukee kept making a lot of new lights. I kind of checked them out and I realized that this one has one of the great features which I need for my work, and it's apparently there is a very strong magnet on the back which will hold it for me on these all areas of the vehicles, which in case of Toyota are made of steel. Not like Ford, it's made of aluminum, it will not stick to it. So I selected this one. One of the great features should be about this that I can use my existing batteries. These lights are incredible, how thin they fit anywhere, but they don't know how to swim. That was the first problem. But the weakness is that charging port right here. That's finicky. Many times I'm wiggling it there, and I had to charge it probably 1,000 times. I use it all the time. I have two of them, keep switching them with their one charger. So I don't like that this is finicky and it will eventually fail. This light should accept my 12 batteries. It's a M12 or M18, so this is M12. Let's go open it up and see how it works. And here is this baby. I really like it. It's always hard to guess how big it is. When somebody does a review, it feels to me, I will say, a little bit smaller than I thought, and I love it. One of the other features is, when I will use this magnet, you can keep swiveling the light. And it's a big deal. How many times I had those lights just sitting somewhere and that you start wrenching and then they turn and start blinding you. So not good, not good. There is a feature which I will never use. You can actually, having the battery here, you can charge your devices like phone or whatever. I'm not interested in it. Apparently there is a different person who might like that, but I won't. This will be my tool to help me see while I'm repairing my cars. Let's go and grab the battery. M12 batteries come in two different sizes. This is one of those styles, the smaller one. As far as I know, I'm not expert on Milwaukee products. I just use them to fix the cars. So let's put the small one. Let's start with the baby. And this is really interesting. Wow, look at it. Still very tiny light. ROVER, service and repair flat light. And I believe we will be able to select two different brightness, 700 lumens and 250 lumens. So using this button right here, we will ignore this USB stuff. Let's put it on. Oh yeah, oh, I can't even look at it. Yep, it's blinding me. That's way too much. If I push it one more time, oh yeah, that's a lower. That's better. Look at it. It's still bright. I don't want to look in those diodes. The third one switched it off. So this is pretty cool, and this is how it looks with the baby. Let's go and look. How strong is this magnet on the back? And look at this. I hesitated to put it on my lift. I don't want to scratch this nice paint. But I just discovered the magnet is slightly below the layer of this rubberized coating. So it's not scratching the tower. The paint will be there. Now, how strong is it? Yep, that takes a lot of pull to remove it. Bang! And now I can keep turning, swiveling that light around. I don't want to go direct in the lens. Look at it. That's incredible. Lower setting. Bang! Down. This is absolutely incredible. Let's show it with the other battery. So, remove it. How you remove it? Well, you always squeeze this and push it, squeeze it and pull it. Excuse me. Here is the big one. This is one of the bigger ones. So again, if you have Milwaukee tools, look at it. Now you have basically a little stand. It will stand on the table or somewhere if you want to take it camping or something, which I totally might, because with the big battery, I think they are saying 4.0, this is 3.0. It will last up to 24 hours on the lower setting, and if you go camping, you probably don't want to blind yourself with that. Totally the smaller setting will be enough, and that is 24 hours. So definitely you have some time to spend in the dark with this. I totally dig it. This is fantastic. That will be my new friend here in the shop. Let's see what a difference it will make on this engine, on this 2007 Sprinter. Which actually the parts I ordered for this are a long time ago. They are still not here. I ordered this, I think 3 days ago, and it's already here and we are doing a review. This should have been already gone fixed, and it's still waiting for some parts. So let's see. Boom. Oh yeah, I love that. This is incredible. Will it stick right here? Yep. And if I swivel it, will it stick right here? Oh yeah. Look at that. Now I can lower it. Yep. I still have plenty of light, and there's not that blinding shine from maybe some parts. Even the low setting. Oh yeah, right here. Even the low setting. This is absolutely perfect. That swivel. Now it's in my eyes, so that doesn't work. But look at it. This is absolutely incredible. So far, I will say I'm super happy I bought it. Also, it was $10 off 3 or 4 days ago. So maybe, if you are interested, maybe Home Depot still has it with that $10 discount. Obviously, free shipping. You just have to be owner of the Milwaukees. I don't know how much it will cost with the battery and the charger if you have nothing. But I love that. One of the mega important things for me is that I don't have that finicky little charging port, which really cannot last forever, obviously. I'm afraid that will be the death of these Harbor Freight, the thin ones. Obviously, these are different lights, different use. I will still use those because they are like a pencil thin, which is incredible. They will be friends. They will be not fighting over each other's territory because I will just have a different use for them. This is, guys, pretty cool little light. I love it. Here you can see how it sits by itself on the small battery. I will say it's still pretty stable. Here is the big one. Obviously much more stable. Definitely, if you want to go camp with it, that will be my choice. Bigger and more stable battery. I hope you will find this video helpful and please subscribe. I have way more coming your way soon. Thank you for watching and have a great day, my friend.